Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily add credit card account on Xero. So, all you have to do is head over to Xero.com and start by clicking on the login button. Just make sure that you're logged into your account. Then, next, in your account dashboard, just head over and click on your business name. Then, click on Settings. Next, under the Features section, click on Payment Services. And from here, just switch to Add New Payment Service. Then select Set up Cards and Digital Wallets. Proceed by clicking on Get Set Up with Stripe. Next, just click on Add Information. A window will then pop up, and you're going to need to onboard your account. Just enter in your email address, then click on Submit. Also, enter in your password, then click on Submit. From here, just start by setting up online payments. Just choose your business location and business type. Then proceed by clicking on Continue. Also, enter in your personal details. Then, once done, just proceed by clicking on Continue. So enter in your business details such as customer support email, your website, and product description. Then once done, proceed by clicking on continue. And from here, all you have to do is add your account details for payouts. Start by selecting currency, transit number, institution number, account number, then just confirm your account number. Then once done, just proceed by clicking on continue. Lastly, just enter in your public details for customers. Also, enter in your customer support phone number and customer support email. Then, once done, just click on continue. And from here, all you have to do is review all the information that you entered. Make sure that they are all correct and accurate. Then, once done, just head over and click on agree and submit. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!